Making assignments in Think Central, take 2. Okay, go to Browse, click whichever grade level you want to give. Then the program structure is set up in their units like on the book. So I'm going to go to Unit 1. We're talking about Module 2, which is size of numbers. And then next week they're doing Lesson 2, Monday and Tuesday. So this is where I assign the core instruction. If it has a sign, then that means kids have access to it. If it doesn't have a sign, then that's teachers only. Then I can click on the lesson to see what the kids see. The worksheets I'm turning into slides instead, so I'm not going to assign those. But when I do the student view like this, I do want them to do that. So I'm going to assign that by clicking Assign, name it, required, and then select whichever class you have set up. Now, if you don't have classes set up, let me know and I can tell you how to do that. But then I've been putting them all in conduct so that Cassie has access to. But then I go add all, set up whatever date I want it to be assigned on next week, and do the 13th. And then once I have it done, I can press save. Now, since it's scheduled for next week, I can still go back in and delete or edit it if I need to. But that's the easiest way I've found to do it. So again, start with Browse. When you go in, find Browse, and that will take you to all these units. So hopefully that helps. Let me know if you need more details or how to set up classes. So let me know.